goes like, the first thing is check oil. Check oil, you have to check that dipstick. When you're removing the dipstick, is it marks? Oil has to be between the two of them.
So it's too much? Can it be too much? Like?
If it's too much, you have to go to the garage. If it's not enough, you have to fill it up. And you have to know exactly what kind of oil is in the car. Could be a 5W, 0W40, 0W30. Depends of the car, depends of the engine. And that has to be checked and remove the drain if it's too much, or filling up if it's not enough. The first thing, you have to clean the dipstick. If you're removing the dipstick, you can't see anything. The oil can be, for example, here. Removing the dipstick, clean, put in the back, lift it up, and then now you can see. You see, it's a bit too much. It's a bit too much, but that's okay. It's only a bit. Could be between the two marks. The best idea for engine is a half, 3/4 of the between the dipsticks. If you're feeling too much, it's too much pressure inside in the engine and can be damage, for example, some seal and the oil start to leak from the sump or seals or something like that. So it is very, very important. If you go to NCT, if you have over-filled the oil, they can't check your emission because they can't rev up the engine. The engine can be pushed. So that's the basic. Here we have a brake fluid. Another very important. If you don't have a brake fluid here, you have no brakes. If you have no brakes, you can kill. So brake fluid, engine oil. Here we have. You can read in there. That's the you know. Oh. yeah. Fair enough. That's the water. You have a water there. And the overflow tank here, and the overflow tank usually is a max, minimum and maximum, so the water can be between the two marks. It's like similar like here. So windscreen washer here is the water or whatever. Yeah, it's some special stuff. Depends. Everyone filling the water because it's no cost. You know what I mean? So. Water and antifreeze, actually, antifreeze, oil change, check, brake fluid, it's up as well. You see the marks there, minimum and the maximum. Do you see the marks there? Yeah. So it has to be between, not too much, or you know, if that will be dropping down, you see the sensor. The sensor will be, if the sensor will see about it's not enough brake fluid, she show you on the dash. Red light. So, someone want to check the oil?
Gone.
Yeah, use that one. Yeah, first have to be clean.
Let's clean it out first.
Yeah, clean the first, then put in the dipstick again and lift it up. Yeah.
Get it in. Why? He's slipping out.
That's disgusting. Don't push it at an angle. Push it straight down.
No, it won't go down.
Sorry, if you have a problem with, just put in the hand there and push. You know. Yeah.
You broke the car.
How would you feel?
11, you broke an 11.
How do I feel? I feel like I disagreed.
And and see how much is it. It's actually maximum, a bit more than maximum. Yeah. So that's okay. Like clean and put it back. Yeah. The brake fluid. You see how much brake fluid is in now?
Yeah, it's blue.
When you're moving like that, you see that now? Yeah. So it's actually maximum now, so it's okay. Then How much is the antifreeze? Did you check?
It's cold.
Do you see the 2 marks there on the side here?
Oh yeah.
Minimum, maximum. How much is it now?
Is that nearly at max?
It's full. It's perfect. So car is ready to go. Another thing, when you have a drive, when you will be drive, you should have to check the lights as well. So all the lights, including the stop lights. The stop lights is a very important, because if you press the brake, someone have to see about you press the brakes. The very important lights is the brake lights. That's yes. Yeah. So the all lights has to be checked around. Indicators and the lights. I show you the few lights inside in the dash. When you